out who the real king of the jungle is. Hakuna Matata, fuckface! You acted like you were asleep, but you were lying! You were lying! You almost got me! What's up, yo? Get your camera ready, because I'm about to show this cat beast mode like a Nat Geo! Come on, Grandma! I'm begging you! I'm begging you! Give me some competition! Who the hog can do it? Who the hog can do it? Do it! Do it!
Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and wine!
Woohoo! Yippee! Hooray! Hot dog! Yahoo!
A little bit here and a little bit there, and in 2 weeks I'll have a silk glove you can wear.
Neptune, you're approaching critical depth. Please advise.
I'm observing how deep I can go before this becomes a documentary.
Neptune, please confirm all emergency equipment is intact and operational.
Affirmative. Got my periscope and emotional support crackers.
Neptune, what are you seeing down there?
A lot of freaked out fish and soggy bird seed.
Any words for the nation?
One small flap for bird, one giant splash for bird kind.